Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another update of SHIB. And it seems like the party is over for SHIB. This is so bad and disappointing as well. So let's get into it. And I told you that for me, SHIB, if it does come to 970, is going to be very, very bad. And I'm not surprised that SHIB has done this. Okay, I'm not, absolutely not surprised. And you can see that. How many times have I talked in the previous videos about SHIB, if telling you that if no manipulation happens, we're looking for 1400, okay? And in yesterday's private channel, I said that SHIB, being a Binance coin, got manipulated. Another day, another wickedness, never bothered to give you a call either. So if I was so good talking about SHIB, why didn't I trade SHIB in my private sector? This is an issue that I found with Binance. You see, anything on Binance right now is mostly just manipulated. You don't have, now for example, what can I say? I mean, let's go to the old support and resistance, okay? And this is your resistance. You got the resistance and you have broken above the resistance. Pretty fair, right? So when you break above resistance, you came down, and when you came down, you made one morning star, which is a bullish candle, right? And then you made another morning star, and you made another morning star, so triple morning star. But by the end of the day, take the stop loss and go down and still get the manipulation. This is really, really bad, and I do feel sorry for so many traders who can be stressed out there right now. And this is not a sponsored call, but you know, I do recommend MEXC so much, okay? MEXC has good, better patterns out there, but you have to still look for those patterns with good volume for trading. Always remember, volume is everything, okay? A pattern itself is not good enough. And as a matter of fact, as far as I did check out the volume of SHIB, I haven't seen a strong buying like some few days ago when SHIB was pumping to the upside. But nonetheless, I've been saying on the channel again and again that for me, SHIB is a long-term coin. I don't see SHIB, even though yes, on the smaller time frames you have this manipulation and it gets hard for you to day trade or inter-trade, whatever. When it comes to higher time frames, for example, if we dive into the weekly, not all hopes have been lost just yet. I do like how low SHIB really is, because the last time you were moving sideways, you made a very huge move to the upside, and right now once again you're moving sideways. And I do believe that you do have a triangle that is ending by February 2024 on a weekly time frame. So this is going to take a long time, and that's why I say again, it's still a long-term coin. And I do believe by February, March, April next year, which is pretty soon now, I mean, it's only 2 quarters away. The Q4 is about to come by September, in my opinion, and then you have January, February, March. Now in the Q1 of next year, we might be looking at a very, very good market for Bitcoin, for altcoins, for SHIB, for everything else. Maybe at that time you might have whales who are going to step in, have very strong volume, and we could start to see a climb once again to go back to the all-time high. In my opinion, that's my personal take, not financial advices. So it's all just probability game again. And so what's going to happen now? That's the question that has to be answered. So as far as the pattern goes, we have manipulation. We do not have any pattern that is in play anymore, and we might be looking at SHIB trying to come down and take this stop loss. So you might be looking at SHIB at 879 at the moment. So that's it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.